Well, hey friends, and welcome to Vlogmas 2020! Okay, much like everything else in 2020, Vlogmas could have some unexpected bumps in the road. If you've been here for Vlogmas in the past, then you'll know that I like to do a mix of some more structured sit-down videos like gift guides, festive fun of some sort, and then vlogs of my festive adventures out in the world doing exciting things. Well, in 2020, I am probably not going to be doing exciting things out in the world. Scrooge had more Christmas plans than I do this year. So I really don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know what I'm gonna vlog, but we're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna try and make this Christmas as fun and enjoyable and vlog worthy as possible. So today we're going to be putting up the Christmas tree. Yay! Let's go decorate for Christmas. Alexa, play some Christmas music.
The station, Christmas music, free on Amazon Music.
So we have quite an eclectic array of Christmas decorations. I got into this habit of every time I went to a new country, I would pick up a new Christmas tree decoration that represented that country. So it's not a traditional Christmas tree. You got your windmill from Holland, weird dragon thing from Krakow, Edinburgh, camel, ghost. I got this lighthouse from Maine. Sure, there's a Christmas rat around here somewhere. We also have a lot of Disney Christmas decorations on the tree, and that's the story behind that. So I am that person who is really obsessive about the Christmas tree. Like, as I say that, I see that these lights are not the way that I want them to be. I have a clear-cut system of how I decorate the tree. First lights, then plain balls, then everything else that's fun, and I get a little bit obsessive about it. I just like it to look perfect, you know? The tree is done. I am just casually holding this tissue because I'm gross. Let me put that in the bin. I just realized that I've not taken a second for my punny Christmas jumper. So look at this. Just putting it out there. I got this at New Look last year and I love it. I love a good pun jumper, you know? So tree is up. Most of the lights are working on it, but you can't have everything. And my next Christmas task of the day is going to be to wrap some of my mom's Christmas presents. She hates wrapping. She always delegates that to me, and I love wrapping. It's one of my favorite things about Christmas. Unfortunately, I do not have any of my own Christmas presents to wrap because I haven't bought any yet. I'm getting a little bit nervous about it actually because I always leave this till the last minute. Always. But this year I thought, no, Ames, you gotta get in early. COVID, pandemic, crazy Christmas. Like, we saw how people were about the toilet paper earlier this year. Like, let's get the Christmas presents locked in. And then I just didn't do that. But yeah, in contrast, my mom has completely finished her Christmas shopping. She has everything for everyone and now she just needs me to wrap it. I'm eating chocolate. So I decided to watch Holiday in the Wild, which, if you haven't seen it on Netflix, it's so good. Anyway, I just wanted to check in and say I have this big old box of wrapping stuff because a few years ago, I guess my mom went wild and bought a bunch of wrapping stuff in the sale in January, enough that we are still using it now, and I think that was 4 years ago. And some of the things in here are things like these plastic bows, plastic ribbons. We have one more sheet of that plastic backed wrapping paper. So as much as I hate that stuff, I hate single-use plastic, I'm gonna use it up, put it on the Christmas presents, and just try and get through as much of it as I can, like get use out of it, because at this point we already have it. That waste is already there, so we may as well just try and use it up. And then once that's done, we don't have to worry about that again, because we stopped buying that kind of single-use plastic wrapping stuff a while ago, but we just still have a lot left over. So just I hate it, but we're gonna use it. I'm gonna have a guide coming out some point this week that's gonna be like a guide to a more sustainable Christmas, and that has a whole section in it about how to make your gift wrapping more sustainable. This is not it, okay? But this is what we have, so we're gonna use it, and then once it's gone, move on with our lives. Okay, tree done, wrapping done. It's dark outside. Look at this. I mean, that's just my reflection, but do you see how dark it is? And it's only 6:30. I have my little Merry Christmas sign up, and I think I'm going to switch out to some Christmas candles. Woo! Welcome to Vlogmas 2020, where the most exciting aspect of the day is candles. Okay, what do we got? Always keep a few gingerbread candles. Oh, this one looks done. Maybe I've got like a little bit left of that one. There must be more here somewhere. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We're good. We're good. Oh, we're really good for gingerbread candles. There are a bunch back there. All my lipstick has come off and I look like a corpse. I need to give a shout out to these candles. I know I've talked about them before, probably every single Christmas, but they're so great. They are Wickford & Co. You can get them at one of the bargain shops. I think it's Home Bargains. If it's not Home Bargains, it's B&M Bargains. It's a bargain shop. The point is, they're a bargain, okay? They have such a strong scent for such a cheap candle. I think I paid like less than £1 for them. That's why I have such a huge stockpile of them. I think I bought about 9. My favorite Christmas candle of all time is the Bath and Body Works cinnamon pancake. Why do I not know this? I used to get it every year. I don't know, it smelled like a pancake. It was delicious. But that is really expensive, like a Bath and Body Works candle, even though they're really delicious smelling, they're expensive, whereas these are super cheap. Okay, anyway, I'm kind of at a loss for what to do now. I should probably edit a video, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to. I might do a little bit of crafting. I really got into knitting, I really got into quilting, I really got into crochet. I've become my grandmother, essentially. I've got this little Christmas jumper tree ornament that I need to finish off to send to someone who purchased it on my Etsy shop. And I feel like I want to see if I can crochet a rainbow Christmas tree ornament. Since rainbows are kind of the mascot of 2020, I just feel like that would be cool if I could work out how to do that. Maybe I'll put on a YouTube video and do some crochet, like the 87-year-old woman that I am. Ta-da! So crafting time is over. I feel good about what I made. I'm quite happy with the way that this turned out. I might try and make it a little bit smaller next time because it seems quite chunky. What do you think? To me, I guess this seems a little bit big for a tree decoration, but I guess it depends how big your tree is. But now it's actually getting quite late. Like, time really got away from me, as it always does when I'm crafting. But thank you guys so much for joining me for day 1 of Vlogmas. Remember that I am uploading a video every single day up until the 24th of December in some way, shape or form. But until tomorrow, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I will see you soon. Bye.